Welcome to the latest masterpiece from FORMALUX 3D, a study in purity where precise geometry and natural elements converge. We begin our tour outside this architectural sanctuary, an elegant structure of stacked volumes, clean lines, and vertical wood cladding, all resting upon a raw rock foundation overlooking the infinite sea. Observe how the soft linear lighting accentuates the horizontal forms, creating a dramatic contrast with the organic texture of the cliffside. Every angle was meticulously planned to frame the ocean, turning the landscape into a living extension of the home itself. This is modern sophistication at its peak. The transition between exterior and interior is almost imperceptible, inviting us to discover what lies beyond these glass walls. This is the moment of arrival. Stepping inside, we are greeted by an expansive living area where the scale of the architecture truly shines. The open-plan design and massive floor-to-ceiling glass walls dissolve any boundary between the comfort of the home and the vastness of the sea. Notice the seamless transition of materials. The smooth, light gray concrete of the ceiling and floors meets the warmth of the vertical oak wood panels. The furniture is a curation of texture and form, from the plush modular sofa in a soft cream fabric to the minimalist oak coffee table. Every detail, including the discreet linear lighting and the carefully placed art pieces, is designed to enhance the serene atmosphere. Here, the horizon isn't just a view, it is the soul of the room. Moving further into the heart of the home, we find a kitchen that redefines culinary elegance. It is a seamless extension of the living space, where high-performance technology is hidden behind exquisite oak cabinetry. The centerpiece is a monolithic white island, a sculptural focal point that balances the warmth of the wood with its clean, sharp lines. Notice how the open-plan design keeps you connected to the dining area and the breathtaking pool deck, ensuring that even the most routine moments are framed by the beauty of the Mediterranean coast. Here, minimalist aesthetics meet ultimate functionality, allowing the surroundings to remain the main attraction. In a FORMALUX 3D kitchen, every meal is prepared against the backdrop of infinity. We now move into the master suite, a private sanctuary where bespoke luxury meets absolute tranquility. This space is a masterclass in modern, integrated design, dissolving barriers to create a seamless flow between the sleeping area, a boutique-style walk-in closet, and an open-concept bathroom. Notice the continuity of materials, the smooth concrete ceiling, the uniform vertical oak wood cladding, and the rich textures of natural linen. Every piece of design, from the low-profile bed to the monumental oval mirrors and sculptural concrete vanity, is curated to enhance the serene atmosphere. But the architecture steps back to let the landscape take center stage. Imagine waking up to the vastness of the sea, where the view from your terrace isn't just a panorama. It is the soul of this coastal retreat. This is more than a bedroom. It is the ultimate retreat designed by FORMALUX 3D. Finally, we reach the sanctuary within the sanctuary, the private spa. Designed for total rejuvenation, this space rejects rigid boundaries for the embrace of organic flow and panoramic views. Here, time seems to stand still. At the center, a monumental circular whirlpool carved from dark stone invites you to relax, while the surrounding lounge chairs offer a perfect spot to watch the sky transform. The architecture framed the Mediterranean landscape like a living gallery, with floor-to-ceiling glass that captures the soft pink hues of the sunset. This is the ultimate expression of the FORMALUX 3D lifestyle, where well-being is not just an amenity, but the greatest luxury of all. We emerge onto the terrace where the boundary between architecture and the elements finally disappears. Observe the path of linear light, sculpted directly into the raw rock steps, guiding us toward the edge. The infinity pool reaches out to the ocean, creating a seamless connection with the Mediterranean horizon. As the day fades, the terrace becomes the heart of the home, a place where the warm glow of design meets the cool blue of the sea. This is the ultimate expression of the FORMALUX 3D lifestyle, a world without limits, designed for those who seek the extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you believe that architecture should be an experience, don't forget to subscribe and explore the future of luxury with us. If this vision of luxury resonates with you, join our community. Give this video a like to support our architectural journey and subscribe to FORMALUX 3D. Turn on notifications to ensure you never miss our next masterpiece. The future of living is here.